Hello friends, see you again on channel Pelota Media. In the video tutorial, I will discuss how to install Bootstrap that we will learn later. Problem. Designed by using Bootstrap. We just start, guys. On Google, guys, go. From Chrome friends or other browsers. Just type here, Bootstrap, friends. Yeah, like that. This one, we click. Then there is dock. You can select it. Okay, next I select which download. This is it. There will be two ways. The first way, later, I download the CSS file con and its GS. Then the second way, I use CDN via JS, deliver this one, yes? So, if the one, we have to be online later, connected to the internet. Yes, friends. Yeah, this one. Okay, I use the first way to file. I just downloaded the CSS and JS. We wait for the process, guys. Well, this is downloading. Like this. Okay. We wait, yeah, guys. Well, here has been successfully downloaded, friends. This is it. I open this, I click. I just copy this, YA friends. Yes, I copy. I just cut it. I moved. Yes, I have provided. Folder, yeah, friends. Yeah. I have provided the folder. Here, yeah. Well, here, I have prepared lat bootstrap folder. Well, here, I paste. Can I paste? Then I extract file. Any extract file make. I just extracted the file. Like that, it's the one. This is yes, I use this, this is it. Too long folder. Here we just get out, my friends, yeah. This is there twice, yeah. Just rename first. I change so I can copy it. This is cut. Okay, like that I take outside. Like this. Well, this, I try to delete. Like that. Well, here, we use this one later. Guys, yeah. Okay, next. After the extract was successful. Like this, guys, can use editor. Yes, I used to use Visual Studio Code. Okay, like that. I opened the folder. I just did it. That was in D drive. Lat Bootstrap folder. I want to select this folder. Okay. This is my close. Well, I'll give you an example. I made a file here in the lat bootstrap folder. I click, I give the file name, for example, lat1.h. Later, we can replace it if we need it. Later. Like this. Here I give you an exclamation point. Yes, we see. This pops like this. We do it here. Install Bootstrap. Like that, yeah. We tested already. But first, save by pressing Ctrl plus S. Next up, guys, we can give whether it has worked or not. We run first. Yes, if we run, I just give an example. Yes. This, without Bootstrap. Yeah, like that, we'll see. This doesn't exist yet. The configuration, haven't been given any Bootstrap commands yet. It's still plain. I made a button, for example. For example, exercise 1, for example, like that, yeah. If we run, I have installed live server extension. Just click this, go live. Because it's an HTML file, it runs straight away. The button like this would be without Bootstrap. Next, after we put the Bootstrap, here we put the Bootstrap. Let's do it like this. Next we give like this YA guys, yeah? We call folder. We call this pops up. Automatic. This one. Folder, that's not this zip, that's. Sorry, this one Bootstrap. This is it, I click. Well here. A lot of ya. In this Bootstrap, if we click there's this much. There is C. Means there's a CSS folder. Later we have two. Insert here, CSS. Ah, like that. Well, here are a lot of options. But we use it friends, that is. This one, bootstrap.min.css. Lighter later than bootstrap.cs. So we use bootstrap.min.css. Means we're looking for what? This is it already showed up. Probably not yet. Here it is that top click like that. This is it. Okay, we enter. Well, it's come in like that way, yeah, guys. Next. We're gonna put some more in here. It's JavaScript, yeah? Here later on, is in her folder. This is her. Let's do it like this. We add here ya script. src. Source is yes. This is it, we take from here ya folder. This. This is this one, yeah? Friends who don't have this zip. Okay, we're here, not CSS, but see the folder here? Ah, this is JS. J's just entered into. This is it. Bundle.min.js, yeah. Friends, don't make the wrong choice. Like it's lighter. Okay, like that already, so let's see the results. Just open the browser, because I used what? Live server is automatic, usually. It's starting to change, but because it hasn't, I haven't used it yet. Functions are contained in Bootstrap, I have not used. This, I should use class. Yeah, the class that was on Bootstrap, for example. This to make it look different. Has it worked? Has it worked? Install the Bootstrap. We use this one, for example, btn primary. Don't I explain this? Yeah, this makes this button. Yeah, in the future we will explain ya, friends. Yeah, okay, we'll see. The result is yes. Okay. Let's see where this browser was. Ah, it's changed, yeah, guys. Ah, this is through we download, yeah, friends. Ah, this we download. So if we don't download, ah, we just copy it. Ah, yeah, we just copy it. For example, this one. Hi, I copy which one, but must be connected to the internet. I have to connect to this internet first. The important way to download it has been successful. I deleted this. We will return it to normal later. Look, the difference. Yeah, I deleted it, so yeah. Well, this I also deleted the class. Empty, yeah. We'll see the result. He'll be back to normal. This is it. Well now, try us. Use the one that was wearing. What was CDN? This is the one. This is my first copy of that first line. For its C. This click, this copy. New friends, put it here. Yeah. I paste here. Friends to come down like this. Later guys can use Alt+C. Will be neat like this. He went downstairs. Like that. Next, for JavaScript. Guys can Copy it again from here. Okay, I copy again. Okay, I copy. Then I put it here. Here, yeah. I pasted this. Because it was ALT plus ZUA automatic, like this. Then, let's see the results first. CTRL plus S for save it. We see the results first. Like this, yeah. Hasn't changed. Why hasn't it changed? I didn't enter the class here. Okay, we see this using online. Yeah. If the previous method, we directly download the file. This is using online. See the same result, right? So yeah guys, means it works. Here's our first tutorial on Bootstrap. Hopefully, helpful tutorial. Please share as well as join ya guys to support this channel. Continue. Thank you.